So good afternoon everyone, this is Abhishek Verma again. Welcomes to you Gold Academy class e-classes. So I hope you have all completed chapter 1. Now let's move to chapter number 2, which is polynomial, and we have learnt about the polynomial in our 8th class. So let's just take a brief explanation about the polynomial. Now what you have to write in your fair notebook, just write the polynomial chapter 2, and the constant is the symbol which has a fixed numerical value. It's called constant. For example, 7 minus 5 minus 3 by 7 minus 8 all pi, all irrational value and all rational value are the constant. That means which is fixed, which cannot change. Now the second one is variable. The symbol which assume different value in different situation is called variable. That means let's suppose I write x. Now what is x? This is not fixed. If I put x equals to 2, that means now x is equals to 2. If I write x equals to 3, now that means x is equals to 3. So these are algebraic expression called the variable. For example, x square y square z to the power 3, a b c d e f, all are the variables. Now comes to the algebraic expression. The combination of constants and variable by the use of sum or all operations. Operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the combination of constant and variables by the use of sum or all operation is called algebraic expression. Terms: the various part of an algebraic expression separated by a plus or minus operation. Only plus or minus operation are called terms of expression. That means if I write x to the power 3 plus 2xy plus z, that means there are two positive signs, so there are three terms, 1, 2 and 3. They are three terms. If I write 2xy minus z, that means one term and this is second term. So this algebraic expression containing two terms. Fine. Now this is the polynomial, which is our chapter. An algebraic expression is called a polynomial if the variable involved have only non-negative इंटीग्रल पावर्स. दैट मीन्स एक ऐसा एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन जिसके अंदर नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट ना हो, नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट वेरिएबल के ऊपर ना हो, तो वो आपका पॉलिनोमियल होगा. x to the power 3 plus 2x square plus y. सो दिस इज पॉलिनोमियल. अगर मैं लिखूँ x to the power minus 3 minus 2x square y plus z, so this is not polynomial because we are having a negative exponent here, so this is not a polynomial. Now terms I have explained. Coefficient. So in this polynomial, 7 minus 5 plus 6 and minus 9 are the coefficient. That means the coefficient of x to the power 3 is 7, the coefficient of x square is minus 5, the coefficient of x is 6 and minus 9 is constant, and minus 9 is constant term. Now let's move to the types of polynomial. So now students, let us study about the types of the polynomial which I have taught you in class 8 also. So just take a revise. We can classify the polynomial by two parts. The first part is degree wise and the second part is term wise. So let us study about degree wise first. The first polynomial according to the degree wise is linear polynomial. That means this polynomial having one degree only. For example, 3x plus 5, 5z, comma 3a, plus 2b, all are having one degree. So these are the linear polynomial. Second one is quadratic polynomial. That means 2-degree polynomial. As we can see that 3x square plus 5x, the maximum degree of variable is 2, so this is quadratic. 9x square plus 8x plus 9, the maximum degree is 2, so this is quadratic. 3z square, the maximum degree is 2, so this is quadratic. The third one is cubic polynomial. That means containing 3 degree. For example, 5x cube plus 9x square plus 8, the maximum degree is 3, so this is cubic polynomial. 5x cube plus 5x square plus 8x plus 9, the maximum degree is 3, so this is cubic polynomial. The fourth one is biquadratic polynomial. That means it contains 4 degree. So for example, 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 8, so the maximum degree is 4, so this is a biquadratic polynomial. The fifth part is polynomial of n degree. That means more than 4 degree. Suppose अब हमें किसी क्वेश्चन में 5 डिग्री मिल गई, तो 9x to the power 5 plus 8x to the power 4 minus 8. So what does it mean? We will speak, then we will say this polynomial is this polynomial is known as 5-degree polynomial. The polynomial of degree 5. This is the polynomial of degree 6 because the maximum degree is 7. इसी तरह अगर 7 डिग्री का polynomial हो तो we will say the polynomial of degree 7, the polynomial of degree 8. Now term wise, the first part is monomial. That means there is only one term. 3x square, this is only one term with coefficient. 5x to the power 9, one term. 9a, one term. 8b, one term. So this is called monomial. The second one is binomial. That means it contains two terms. For example, 5x to the power 5x square minus 9, one term and two term. 5x to the power 16 plus 8x square, containing two terms. This is binomial. Trinomial, 6x square plus 8x plus 8, there are three terms. 1, 2, 3, so this is trinomial. 1, 2, 3, this is also trinomial. Now as we can see that there are four terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will say this polynomial is the polynomial of four terms. Now what is value of a polynomial? In exercise 2.1 and 2.2 you will have to find this type of question. So I will teach you how to find a value of polynomial by giving some example. Suppose we are having a px. P stands for polynomial. Px equals to 3x square plus 8x plus 1, and we have to find the value of p0, p1. For example, यहाँ पे p2 भी दे सकते हैं हमको निकालने के लिए कि what is the value of p2. तो what does it mean? आपको करना क्या है, ये जीरो का मीन्स है कि आपको अपने पोलिनोमियल में जहाँ भी x हो वहाँ पे आपको जीरो पुट कर देना है. This is called p0. So that means when I have to find p0, I will put the value of x by 0. 3 into 0, 2 square, plus 8 into 0 and plus 1, and the answer is 1. So p0 is 1. Similarly p1. Now put the value x equals to 1 in the polynomial. 3 into 1 square plus 8 into 1 and plus 1 equals to 12. Similarly, if I have to find p2, that means 3 into 2 square, 8 into 2 and plus 1. 2 square 4, 4 is 12, plus 16 plus 1, answer is 21. So here the value of p2 is 29, p1 is 12 and p0 is 1. Now student, this is also important topic. The zeros of the polynomial, roots of polynomial or factor of polynomial all the three are the same things. So let us study what is zeros of the polynomial. A real number a is called zeros or root of the polynomial if pa equals to 0. What does it mean? एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. लेट अस सपोज वी आर हैविंग ए पोलिनोमियल पी एक्स क्यूब माइनस 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 11x and minus 6, and we have to check 2 is the zeros or not. So what we will do now, I will just find p2. If my answer is 0, then I will say yes, 2 is the zeros of the polynomial. If answer is not 0, then I will say no, 2 is not the 0. So now check 2 is zeros or not. Now put the value of x, which is 2, put in the polynomial. 2 to the power 3 minus 6 2 to the power 2 plus 11, x की जगह 2 रखा and minus 6. Now solve. 2 to the power 3 is 8, 6 4 is 24, 11 is 22, minus 6, 28 plus 8 is equal to 30, 24 minus 6 is equal to 30, 30 minus 30 equal to 0. My answer is 0, and if my answer is 0, then that means yes, 2 is the zeros of the polynomial. या मैं कह सकता हूँ कि x equals to 2 is the solution of the polynomial. या मैं कह सकता हूँ अगर मैं 2 को इधर ले आऊँ तो x minus 2 हो जाएगा ये. या मैं कह सकता हूँ कि x minus 2 is the factor of the polynomial. Fine. That means अगर हमें किसी भी क्वेश्चन में ये चेक करना है कि ये इसका जीरोज है नहीं, आप वही वैल्यू उस पोलिनोमियल में रख दो. अगर आंसर 0 आ जाता है तो वो आपका फैक्टर होगा, और आंसर 0 नहीं आता है तो वो उसका रिमाइंडर हो जाएगा. और यही आपकी रिमाइंडर थ्योरम है. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दिस मेथड इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द फैक्टर थ्योरम. अगर आपको फैक्टर थ्योरम के लिए कहीं आ जाए तो ये जो मेथड, पूरा मेथड जो है यही फैक्टर थ्योरम है कि अगर किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल में हम कोई वैल्यू रखें और आंसर 0 आ जाए तो वो उसका फैक्टर बन जाता है. देन वी विल सी yes, x minus 2 is the factor of the given polynomial. Now student, let us study about the what is remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is also important. We will study about the remainder theorem by taking an example. If a polynomial px, x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 12x plus 7 is divided by x minus 1, then what will be the remainder? हमें इसका रिमाइंडर निकालना है. तो अब तक जो हम ट्रेडिशनल मेथड पढ़ते हुए आए थे वो तो ये था कि x माइनस 1 को हम सिंपली डिवाइड करेंगे x टू द पावर 4 माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 7. नाउ इसके कोफिशिएंट इक्वल करेंगे, x टू द पावर 3 से पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो कि x टू द पावर 4 एंड माइनस एक्स क्यूब हो जाएगा, तो माइनस एक्स क्यूब हो जाएगा. फिर इसको ऐसे ऐसे सॉल्व करेंगे, ये माइनस हो जाएगा, ये प्लस हो जाएगा. नाउ एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 7. नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय एक्स स्क्वायर. सो दिस वुड बी एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, साइन चेंज, माइनस प्लस कैंसिल आउट, minus 3 and plus 2, this will be minus 2x square plus 2x plus 7. Now we will multiply by 2x, this will be minus 2x square, then plus 2x, sign change, plus and minus, cancel out 7. तो 7 is the remainder. ये वो तरीका है जो हमने क्लास 8th में सीख रखा है. अब रिमाइंडर थ्योरम क्या कहती है? रिमाइंडर थ्योरम क्या है? आपको फाइंड करना है कि x इक्वल्स टू 1, अगर ये पोलिनोमियल x इक्वल टू 1 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, देन व्हाट विल बी द रिमाइंडर. तो कुछ नहीं करना है, x माइनस 1 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल पुट 0 एंड x इक्वल्स टू 1. यहाँ से x इक्वल टू 1 से निकल गया, 1 आ गया. नाउ यू विल फाइंड p1. आप p1 निकालेंगे. तो हमारा पोलिनोमियल क्या था? x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 2x and plus 7. Just put the value of x. 1 to the power 4 minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 and plus 7. This would be 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 7. 3 minus 3 plus 7 which will be 7 and 7 is the answer. यही आपका रिमाइंडर है, यानी कि दो चीज़ें मिक्स हो गई हैं। अगर आंसर 0 आ जाता है तो फैक्टर बन जाएगा ये, और अगर 0 के अलावा कोई भी आंसर आएगा तो वो रिमाइंडर बन जाएगा। यानी कि आपको एक एल्जेब्रिक डिवीज़न करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सीधा जिसके भी लिए चेक करने के लिए पूछा है वही वैल्यू सेम टू सेम आप पॉलिनोमियल में रख दो। अगर आंसर 0 आ जाता है तो वो उसका जीरोज कहलाएगा, रूट्स कहलाएगा, उसका फैक्टर कहलाएगा, और आंसर 0 के अलावा कुछ और आ जाए तो वो उसका रिमाइंडर कहलाएगा। गेटिंग स्टूडेंट?